My son and my daughter-in-law have been here all day and they have painted all my decking for me. It's nice silvery grey, and let me get to this end and then I can show you. I've got my table here with my umbrella. I've got the two chairs there. This is the long, and this is the shady part. I've got the table there and the two chairs. And they've even painted my fence in the same. It's supposed to be ash grey. It's sort of a bit like a bluey grey. And then when we go further down, they've painted all my steps for me and my railings. And let me get down the steps. I'm a bit wonky when it comes down to steps. There's my beautiful plants, aren't they gorgeous? I love a bit of colour. And aren't they pretty? Got the lovely green here. And if I turn around back to the decking again, they've painted all underneath the decking. If you can see it, I think I can see it all underneath the decking. And my son's bought 4 big planters, and tomorrow they're going to come back with some soil and plant some plants in there for me. Ooh, isn't it going to be good? There's my ivy that's finally grown after 4 years. You've just missed the pussycat that's jumped out one of the hedges and gone in. Now where do you think my sofa is now, and my 2 chairs? They're down in the sunny part at the bottom of the garden. There they all are. My son and daughter-in-law had their lunch down here and they said it was absolutely gorgeously warm. And there's my shed. So, I'm really, really happy with it all. That's my fountain that will one day get put together. Not sure which. My son said it's going to be a glorified bird bath, but I don't care. And you can see the steps now. So I'm going, ooh, nearly fell then. I'm going to hobble my way up. You can see the steps. There's the door into the kitchen. And it needs another coating apparently on this steps and stairs. So they're going to come back maybe not tomorrow, but another day and do it for me. I think they're just about knackered for today. Oh, those are my my grey planters that will match. Got big grey planters that need soil and need plants in. And I didn't manage to pack my washing out today because of everything that's going on. But there's the full view of my deck. Stand back a bit. There's the full view. Doesn't it look nice? Doesn't it look so posh? I'm going to really enjoy being out here in the sunshine. So, that's only a quick video. I just thought I'd let you know what they've all been doing all day. Bye for now.